Hi, I'm Sal from Superway. I'd like to talk about a problem that many homes have, termites, and how we have a solution for you. Superway has been established since 1993 and specialising in termite baiting stations for the DIY market. And now we are happy to be able to bring you our system that is now available in Bunnings. So let's open up our Superway termite baiting station. You will see we have 4 baiting stations with caps, along with the Tasmanian oak timber to go inside and some instructions to inform you how to operate it. For larger homes, you can get a 12-pack through the Bunnings special orders. How to install. Simple instructions will come with your purchase of Superway DIY termite baiting stations. It's a simple 3-step process. Step 1, dig a hole to position the termite baiting stations, preferably no closer than 1 metre from the house. Step 2, place preferred timber food into the stations. Tassie oak is the initial bait. Step 3, replace the weather cap. How often do I check the stations? Check the stations by simply removing the weather cap once every 3 to 4 weeks, then quickly replacing if termite activity is present. This enables you to mix the treatment, which is bought separately from Bunnings, without disturbing the termites, as they tend to duck for cover when exposed to light. Repeat every 3 to 4 weeks if no termite activity is detected. How many stations do I need? You may want to install a complete system right around the house, each side of the house and front and back, 3 metres apart and where possible no closer than 1 metre from the house. This decision will be greatly affected by your budget. Keep in mind that anything is better than nothing. Why install Superway termite baiting stations? Your initial decision to install Superway termite baiting stations can be influenced by a number of factors, which may include you have detected termite activity in the house or yard, friends or neighbours have found termite activity, or simply you just want the peace of mind of having a termite detection and eradication system in place to protect your most valuable asset, your home. Why should you choose Superway? It's easy to install. It's DIY, totally do it yourself. No need to depend on expensive pest controllers with their additional yearly monitoring and maintenance fees. If we can be of any assistance with any of our product range, you can contact the Superway team on 1300 302938 or in Australia 617 327 60559.